Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Akima. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Today's video I will be doing DIY on my clothes. I am been waiting for this moment for a very long time. So here's the first one that I want to do. This is a black simple shirt that I have here, and I'm thinking about bleaching it, this black shirt. So yeah, I'm really sorry for that. Then I had this blue light shirt that I have, take about and tie dye it. A jean jacket. And look at the jean jacket. The jacket that I want to do something with it. So I do want to do something with the jean jacket that I'm really excited for. Think about putting some little like a scratch holes in it, because this has like some holes in it already, and I think it looks so cute. It got some more on the back, more on the front, more on the side. That's what I think about. And I think about collaborating with with the jean jacket. This is my pajamas, which I am got tired of, and thinking about doing something with it. And all I like is one part is this strap right here. If you could see, like I glitter on it, which I think that's like my favorite part of this pant. So collaborated with this, with the jean jacket. So yeah, so you had to watch the video and see what I am thinking about doing this with the jean jacket. So yeah, that's a little haul of my old clothes, like before, and then y'all go see it after in this the video to see how it turned out. So yeah, let's get down to the video. I will be doing the jean jacket first with the pajamas that I have, and I am going to cut the pajama on the side, the part that I wanted, and I'm going to put it on the side of the arms of the jean jacket, and I will be sewing into it. I just tie it down in the bottom of the shirt, and I go tie it up to the top of the shirt, and I start bleaching it. This is my first time ever tie-dyeing a shirt, and this was fun to do, and I really enjoyed it. I would like to do it again, but I am putting on the gloves on for the tie-dye to go on my hand. So all you have to do is like wet it before you tie-dye it, and making sure it's damp. You start coming up the shirt, or do whatever style that you want to have the tie-dye to be. So I just coming up together and start dyeing it. So yeah. It's the next day, as you can tell. But yeah, that was today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed my DIY. I think I did pretty good. As you can see, this is probably my favorite one, you know. And yeah, so if y'all want to see another video like this, don't forget to comment down below that y'all want to see another video like this. And don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my sister and our channel. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.